Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to track revenue in Klaviyo campaigns. So first thing, we're going to go to Analytics here, click on it and click on Metrics. Now from here, you're going to choose whichever metrics you want to see. So for example, we're going to click on Placed Order. Now from here, you're going to see all the stats from which date that the customers bought, even from the last 7 days. And then there are activity feed, cohorts, best people, and activity map. You can also filter to which date you want to see. Then you can also export it to CSV. That's it. Thanks for watching.